In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your website in Hostinger all within 5 minutes. This is a straightforward process that will allow you to make updates or changes easily, so let's dive right in. First things first, you need to go to Hostinger's official website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in www.hostinger.ph. Once you're there, you're met with Hostinger's homepage. Here you can see all of the tools and services they offer to help you bring your idea online or maintain an existing site. Now look for the login button situated usually at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login screen where you will enter your email and password. Make sure to use the credentials associated with your Hostinger account. If you've forgotten your password, there will be an option to reset it right there on the login page. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to the Hostinger dashboard, or as they call it, the H panel. This is essentially your control center. From here you have various options to manage your hosting account. You're going to want to locate and select the Home tab, which often acts as the main navigation bar, allowing you to access all your hosting features. Within the Home section, find the option labeled Websites. Clicking on it will provide a list of all the websites you currently have hosted with Hostinger. This is an excellent way to keep track if you're managing multiple sites, giving you central access for any edits or updates you wish to make. Once you find the website you'd like to edit, go ahead and click on Edit Website. This is where the magic happens. Hostinger has conveniently integrated all the tools you need to make modifications directly from their platform. Should you wish to change content, adjust design layouts, or even alter SEO settings, it's all accessible from this section. Make sure to save your changes regularly as you go along to prevent losing any updates you've made. Hostinger's interface is designed to be user-friendly, but if you encounter any difficulties, remember they do offer customer support to help guide you through any issues. And there it is, in just 5 steps you're able to edit your website in Hostinger. It's that simple and efficient. Whether you're making minimal tweaks or extensive changes, following these steps will have you managing your site content effortlessly. Thank you for watching and happy editing.